Welcome to my channel. Do you want your kitten to grow into a bold, independent cat that isn't scared of its own shadow? Are you tired of seeing your little furball hide under the couch at every new sound? Then keep watching, because this is the Confident Kitten Formula every cat parent needs to know. Let's be honest, confidence isn't just for humans. A kitten that grows up feeling safe, seen, and stimulated will become a curious, fearless cat who can handle change, meet new people, and explore the world with ease. But confidence doesn't just happen by accident. It's built one step at a time. So how do you raise a kitten that feels brave in a big, unpredictable world? It all starts with socialization, and timing is everything. The golden window is between 2 and 9 weeks of age. During this period, kittens are like little sponges. Let them hear the vacuum. Let them see guests. Let them sniff your shoes, your groceries, and yes, even your dog, if it's safe. Every new experience helps wire their brain to expect the world to be a place of curiosity, not fear, but don't flood them with chaos. Gentle exposure is the goal. One new sound, one new scent, one safe, calm interaction at a time. Think safe adventures, not overwhelm. Next is environmental enrichment, which is just a fancy way of saying, give your kitten a playground for the senses. That means vertical space like cat trees and window perches. It means cozy hiding spots, textured mats, crinkly tunnels, and toys that come alive. A confident kitten is one that gets to explore, climb, pounce, and stalk like the little predator they are inside. You know what else builds confidence? Play, every single day. Not just random toy tossing, but intentional, challenge-based play. Use a wand toy to mimic prey. Let them stalk and chase. Let them win. It boosts their natural instincts and gives them a sense of accomplishment. And don't forget training. Yes, you can train a cat. In fact, training builds trust and helps them feel in control. Use treats and a clicker to teach simple things like sit or touch. It's not about obedience, it's about bonding. When a kitten feels understood, they become more secure. Now, let's talk about the mistakes. Because even the most loving cat parents can unintentionally squash confidence without realizing it. Mistake number 1, forcing affection. If your kitten hides, don't drag them out. Let them come to you. Confidence grows through freedom, not pressure. Mistake number 2, punishing fear. If they hiss, or freeze, or back away, don't scold. Fear is a message. Respect it, then gently guide them back to safety. Mistake number 3, inconsistency. Kittens thrive on routine. If their feeding time, playtime, and nap time are all over the place, they'll feel on edge. Predictability creates peace. So how can you tell if your kitten is growing more confident? Watch for little signs. They walk with their tail up. They explore new rooms on their own. They meet new people with curiosity. Instead of panic, they bounce back quickly from being startled. And here's a tip. When your kitten does something brave, like walking past the vacuum cleaner or greeting a guest, celebrate it. Soft praise, a treat, a gentle stroke. That's how you reinforce the idea that courage feels good. Raising a confident kitten isn't about perfection. It's about patience, presence, and play. It's about seeing the world through their eyes, a little fuzzy, a little scary, but full of wonder. And when you show up consistently with love, safety, and space to grow, that shy little furball will surprise you. One day, they'll strut into the room, tail high, eyes bright, and you'll know. You didn't just raise a pet, you raised a legend. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with a fellow cat lover. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on raising happy, healthy, and absolutely fearless felines.